Want to add personal thoughts to your emails? Let's set up an email signature in AOL Mail. First, open AOL Mail in your browser and log into your account. Click on the settings icon in the top right corner and select More Settings. Under the General Settings section, find and click on Writing Email. Scroll down and toggle on Signature option. In the signature box, type in your desired signature you want to include, your name, title, contact info, or anything you like. To add a link, just type or paste the URL into the signature box. Once you are done, click Save to apply your signature to all outgoing emails. Do you use email signatures in your professional communication? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If your signature is not showing up, ensure you have selected the option to automatically append it to all your emails under Use Signature settings. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.